Hi everyone, welcome back. So this is part 2 of my video making these specimen cards with dried flowers, and I'm going to do a little decorating on the front of this card. So the first thing that I did it off camera, but I just used vintage photo and peeled paint, and I just went around the edges with both the vintage photo and the peeled paint like that. And then I got my blending brushes out and I just did a little blending, and I did it on the back as well. And then I also did a little bit of the green blending. I think it kind of gives it that naturey kind of feel, adding the green on there and not just total grunge. The other thing I like to do is, this is one of my favorite script stamps. I usually have this listed down below, but I want to just add, so, you know, my theme, it's kind of, if you watched my other video making the cards, the journal cards or pockets with the Edith Holden birds, you know, it's like you're out in nature and things are going to get kind of grungy or kind of dirty. So that's kind of the thinking. So I just do a real light little couple dabs of this script stamp. Like I said, it's one of my favorites. And then I also thought it might be fun. So this stamp set here, this is what my Secret Santa sent me. And so I pulled these two. I thought these two could be kind of fun. They kind of look almost you know, like a specimen related stamp. And so I am gonna do this bigger one here, and I am using vintage photo for this. And just stamp that down there. Now some of that will get covered up, but that's okay. And then I don't really need this napkin anymore, so I'll move that out of the way. And then I have this is a washi, I believe I have this listed down below too, but this washi tape right here, it's one of my favorites. It has just different leaves, it looks botanical, and so I tore off a couple pieces because there's brown and green on here. So I tore off a couple pieces already, and I just want to add them onto here. And just trim this edge off right there. I really like this washi tape. I probably am going to go buy another one just because I like it so much. And this one's starting to get low. And then I am going to trim this right here. So I hope you're doing well. Tell me what you've been up to down below in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And let me know if you watched part 1. I'll link it down below. Yeah, in part 1, I showed you how I used my Cricut to cut these frames out and to cut the acetate out. So if you want to check that out, you can. And then another washi tape that I really like is this one here. And this comes from this 49 and Market washi tape. It's the Curator's collection. And it comes with, it doesn't come with this one. I just put that one in there because I needed a place to store it. But they're almost like little, if you can see, they're like little frames. And so I picked one out to put on here. Put that right there. Put that away. And we'll put this away. So I think that's coming along nicely. And then I also pulled out a little Tim Holtz, the teeny tiny little, I think they're called the Field Notes ephemera. And I really like that one. Lots of interesting different little tags, and I like how small they are. And most of them they're almost like field related, so they kind of go along with this idea, this nature theme that I have for my patrons this month. And then I want to add, I picked up these Fiskars, these larger eyelets. I have a bunch of smaller eyelets. I don't have, I don't think I have any of these big ones. So I just picked these up at Michael's, and because I wanted to use a bigger eyelet. So let me poke a hole on here. So I've marked the center with a pencil, and I'm going to use my Crocodile. So I'm using the 3/8 hole punch. And then for that, you need your the eyelet press to be on the letter A on top, and then the number 1 on the bottom. And then you slide this forward. And I love using this eyelet. I finally have figured it out. I think the trick is you really want to make sure you have something thick enough for the eyelet to hold on to. Because I was trying to do it on super thin things, and the eyelet just wasn't compressing. So there is the fun little eyelet. And then I have, let's see, what did I do with it? I have a bulb pen. Here it is. And I'm probably going to add some more chain to this butterfly, but I have this cute little, I'm trying to get it off of here to show you, this cute little butterfly charm and this bulb pen. And I'm just going to put it on here for now. But I think what I'm going to do is get some of my gold chain out and add a jump ring, because I think it'd be fun to kind of have it dangle a little bit more. But we'll see. It doesn't look too bad like that. So that's just a quick and simple, easy way to decorate them. Just using some different stamps that you have and some different washi tape, and using your inks. And I did, use the little Tim Holtz ephemera notes. But I think this really makes them look quite nice. And let me show you the other ones that are finished. So I have, now this one is one that I did with the flower stickers. It was kind of my inspiration piece. And then here's one with the blue flowers. So you can see they're similar, but each one's a little bit different. And this has a little dragonfly charm. And then this one has a butterfly. And then this one also has a butterfly. And you can see each of the little washi tape and the little ephemera pieces are different. And there's this one. And the yellow daisy. I like the daisy. It's so pretty. I like the lavender daisy. And then there's this one. And these are the last two. And I love this light, I don't know, was that mint, I guess. So those are my finished specimen cards. I really like how they turned out. Let me know which flower is your favorite, which tag's your favorite. I would like to know. All right, guys, so this is a short video, but the other one was just getting too long. So thank you so much for watching and coming back and seeing how these finished up and how they look. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.